Hey everybody, SO Motorsports here. We are making polyurethane motor mounts. So these are going to be homebrew, real cheap. Like literally, I think the supplies might have cost less than $10. This one was shot, so we completely filled it in. Hard on this side, a little tacky on the other side, so I gotta let this side set up. This side was covered by tape, which explains why it didn't set. So now it's open, ready for the air. This one I just took out, cleaned, and filled. I'm doing a lot less filling, seeing if it sets up better. And this motor mount was actually in decent shape, so didn't feel the need for the full-on fill just yet. We'll let this harden over the next 24 hours, come back, see how it feels. And then if I want to fill it and top it off like this one, it'll also set up faster. In the short term, I guess you could say. They'll get a nice coat of paint when we're done, and we have two more in the car still if we want to take those out when we were doing the clutch. We're not going to put a clutch video out. There's way better people for you to watch to do a clutch swap in the Tiburon or just in general. But we can give you some pointers if you want. Otherwise, this is I might do a little video on these that's a little bit longer if you guys want to see it. If you guys don't want to see it, don't worry about it. And I just won't put one up. But probably do a quick one, just like this, maybe 2 minutes, where I flash through each of the steps real fast. So, thanks a lot for watching. Facebook.com/the SO Motorsports. This is obviously YouTube. We're on Instagram, SO_Motorsports, and the SO Motorsports at gmail.com. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, keep an eye out on the Instagram and everything. We're going to try to come out with some new t-shirts soon, maybe some new stickers. Sorry, we've been kind of in a hiatus, a lot more focusing on getting things replaced and fixed than putting out videos. So, we'll see you guys later. Like, comment, subscribe, please. Peace.